2025 Peugeot 3008, covering design, interior, technology, performance, variance, and overall value proposition in the compact SUV segment. The 2025 Peugeot 3008 marks a significant leap forward for the French automaker. With a bold new design, futuristic interior, and advanced hybrid and EV options, this model transforms the 3008 from a stylish compact crossover into a full-fledged tech-forward SUV poised to challenge segment leaders like the Hyundai Tucson, VW Tiguan, and Toyota RAV4. 1. Exterior design, a radical evolution. The 2025 3008 sheds its conservative curves in favor of a sleek, fastback silhouette, redefining its visual identity. Fastback styling, the SUV now features a coupe-inspired rear, enhancing aerodynamics and visual appeal. It blends SUV practicality with a modern crossover stance. LED signature lighting, Peugeot's signature 3-claw LED headlights and full-width rear light bar give it a high-tech appearance. Matrix LED lighting is available on top trims. New platform, it rides on the new STLA medium platform by Stellantis, enabling a more spacious cabin and electrified powertrains. Wheels and paint options, 19 to 21 alloy wheels with diamond cut finishes, plus premium color choices like Obsession Blue and Oakenite White. Overall look, the 2025 3008 appears futuristic, lean, and athletic, significantly more dynamic than its predecessor. 2. Interior and cabin experience, Peugeot's most futuristic yet. Step inside the 2025 3008 and you're greeted by the next generation i-Cockpit, an interior that feels more like a sci-fi lounge than a traditional car. Panoramic i-Cockpit 3D, a stunning 21-inch curved panoramic OLED display integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment, floating above the dash. Minimalist layout, the cabin is clean, with customizable touch-sensitive i-toggles that act as shortcuts to key features like climate control, NAV, and drive modes. Materials, premium fabrics, ambient lighting, Alcantara trim, and vegan leather elevate the luxury feel. Peugeot's signature compact steering wheel remains. Comfort and practicality, excellent headroom and legroom in both rows. Boot space is around 520 LF versions, expandable with split folding rear seats. User experience, tech-focused yet surprisingly intuitive, with solid ergonomics and quality far above its price point. 2. Plug-in hybrid PHEV, 195 HP 1.6L petrol paired with a 21 kWh battery. Up to 85 km 53 miles of pure EV range. Ideal for daily commutes on electric and long drives with petrol backup. 98 kWh battery with fast charging 20 to 80% in under 30 minutes via duct 160 kW charger. Driving dynamics, smooth, composed ride thanks to independent rear suspension in EV. Agile in urban areas, stable on highways. EV models offer instant torque with whisper-quiet acceleration. Steering is light but responsive, sport mode tightens things up. 4. Infotainment and connectivity, tech-first SUV. 21-inch OLED display standard on most variants, i-Connect advanced with real-time navigation, traffic, and over-the-air updates. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless. Focal premium sound system optional. Over-the-air updates for software and system enhancements. Digital key and app-based remote functions lock-unlock, preconditioning, charging. 5. Safety and driver assistance, Level 2 ADAS capabilities. The 2025 3008 is packed with semi-autonomous features, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, 360 degrees camera with auto park assist. Driver attention warning. Emergency autonomous braking, pedestrians and cyclists included. Variant. Powertrain. EST price EUR 7 Pros and CONS Pros, head-turning fastback design. Advanced EV range and battery tech. Premium, futuristic cabin with i-Cockpit 3.0. Versatile powertrain lineup. High safety and tech standards. Efficient use of space despite sloped roofline. Cons: sloped roof may reduce rear headroom for tall passengers. Touch controls may not suit all users. Mild hybrid is less powerful than competitors' base engines. No diesel option. Premium price tag for higher trims. Verdict: a bold step into the future. The 2025 Peugeot 3008 is not just an update, it's a complete reinvention. By embracing electrification, pushing design boundaries, and integrating cutting-edge technology, it positions itself as one of the most futuristic compact SUVs on the market. Whether you're considering a stylish hybrid crossover or want to leap into full electric, the 3008 delivers innovation, elegance, and everyday practicality. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Ideal for tech-savvy urban buyers, eco-conscious families, and those seeking a premium SUV without going full luxury brand.